my name is Mina. Welcome back to Mina Love Kitchen. Today I will tell you about my journey to the Vietnam National Museum of Nature. I go with my family. Seriously, is my dad, my mom, my two little sisters, and me. At the museum, I can see a very, very, very big T-Rex that's standing, and it roars very, very loud. I take a picture of that T-Rex and me. I can see in the museum there's many things to buy, but I want to see more of in the museum. There's walls of volcanoes and a tree, or many animals, mushrooms, frogs, bees, or Venus flytraps, or a frog. It's very, very beautiful. And I go in the next room. There's a turtle in the lake scum, in the tower turtle. Then I see a big, big fossils of dinosaurs, and the bone of the animals. I can see a bone of a little crocodile, a monkey, a frog, a snake, and a ostrich. It's very many bones. I can see a lizard. It's made out of, it's a puppet. I can take a photo with it. I can I can touch it, and I can rub their head. So, is there anything bumping? Not exactly. There is a fish, a fish monster, a frog, a snake watcher, and I can see a bone of a snake, a bone of a frog, and an ostrich too. Oh, I can see a bone of a baboon tail pig. Isn't it a funny name? I can see a baboon, and I can see a wheat, leaf, and many other things. Then we look at the board of the mountains.